If your Samsung Galaxy phone is making notification sound every minute or so, it's very annoying. This is how to fix it. Go to your setting and then go to your phone setting and go to notifications and go all the way in the bottom. There's something called notification reminder. And right now it's set to 1 minute, which is too often, and you can change that to whatever. I would say shake it to like 15 minutes or 15 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever. Okay, so that's it. So it won't come on every minute, maybe every 5 minutes. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.